Every instinct says, this tiny fish is making the biggest mistake of its life. One bite would end everything. Yet somehow, they swim closer. Not away, closer. Straight into the mouth or curtain of a shark. Somehow, nothing happens. They're working. One parasite, then another. Every corner is inspected. The ocean's most feared predator waits patiently. Biggest predators, when you completely tensed and kith, don't demand service. They wait. Every cleaner has a different job. Tiny mouths, pedestrical fans, solving giant problems. One mistake would change everything.
But it never happens.
Every visitor leaves healthier. In the ocean, survival isn't always won by strength. Sometimes, survival begins with trust. Nature's greatest partnerships are often invisible until you know where to look. Welcome to the hidden stories of nature. Every visitor leaves healthier than before. Another giant arrives, and the routine begins again. Every tiny bite removes another hidden threat. Hundreds of tiny workers, one peaceful agreement. Every species knows the rules. A single mistake would mean certain death. Yet somehow, every cleaner leaves unharmed. Even the ocean's greatest hunter depends on creatures smaller than its own teeth. Trust keeps this reef alive every single day. Discover more hidden stories of nature, only on Sylvara Studio.